Hi guys, my name is Isaac Johnson. I was born and raised in the city of Port Harcourt. I'm actually a website developer. I got to hear about Shoot Like a Pro from a referral somewhere who has actually used Mr. Jude's service, and he was totally satisfied about the service. So when I told him I want to go into cinematography, he gave me his contact. So I reached out to Mr. Jude. So he sent me his Instagram account. I went through his videos and man, it was good. So in that, I was convinced that this is the kind of person I want to train me. So we discussed on WhatsApp. So that was how I started the lectures. So my reason of going into cinematography to learn more about video editing, how to tell stories, shooting, and all the rest was because I actually want to go deeply into marketing. And these days has gone beyond the days where people read a whole lot of text on their screen before they buy a product. And buying a product now is more of saying what they want, you talking to them visually and for them to understand what they want. So you giving that story, telling them exactly what they want is when they get that feeling to buy that product. I normally use my blog for reaching out to audience and all of those stuff. But these days I noticed that marketing is not all about writing text again, because most people don't read the full content you have on your blog. If they search the content on the internet, the results that pops up is actually what they're checking. Once they're done with that, they're out. And people are more of now watching videos. So if you're someone that wants to go into remarketing, which I want to embark in, videos are what you need to use for that. And I can't actually achieve that if I don't know about video editing. Gone are those days where you use blog to sell product. Yes, people are still selling product out there with blog, but video is more of where you can get all the conversions, because people are actually seeing what they want, a 360 degree of what they want and everything. So video is what will tell the story properly and very catchy to let us any other video. So to achieve all of these things, video is needed, picture is needed. So that's why I'm here to participate on Shoot Like a Pro. I want to get the skills, the required skills, to get this, get the results that people that are out there need, so we can assist people out there to sell their products. Once you help people fulfill what they want, it always fall back with money. So that's why I'm here to learn these skills and assist those that are in need of it. And ever since I've been here, I've actually learned a whole lot of things, even things that didn't come to my mind before when I've not handled the camera. When it comes to camera angle, different things, I've learned a whole lot of things since I came to him, and by the grace of God, we are still progressing. And before the end of the season, I believe I'll be what I want, kind of back on the marketing journey, which I need to make sales for people out there who actually want to sell their products. So I want you guys to keep watching and support this channel, support me, vote for me when it's time for that. As we progress, I pray I achieve what I want.